Question number 24. Stop the timer. Right. A sample of artificial element Borgium 265 is created with 4 into 10 power 22 atoms. What is this? This is the number of atoms at t equal to 0. ST265 has a half-life of 15 seconds. T is given. How many atoms will remain after 1 minute? Okay, what should I do? If I have N0 here, after one half-life, it becomes N0 by 2. After another half-life, it becomes N0 by 4. After one more half-life, it becomes N0 by 8. After one more half-life, it becomes N0 by 16, right? Okay, see, how many half-lives? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 half-lives, right? Why 4 half-lives? Because after 1 minute. What do you mean by 1 minute? 1 minute is nothing but 15 multiplied by 4, right? 15 seconds multiplied by 4, 60 seconds. So I got this. So therefore, number of atoms remaining is N0 by 16, which should be, what is N0? 4 into 10 power 22 divided by 16. 4 ones are, 4 fours are, which should be 0.25 into 10 to the power of 22, which should be, do we have 22, 1 and 2? Okay. So you have 2.5 here. So this should be 2.5 into 10 to the power of 21 atoms. The answer is A. Okay.